So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the best soybean protein powder. So stay tuned if you want to learn how to make your soybean powder at home. So to make this soybean powder, you need to pick out all the data from the soybean. So when you are done picking the soybean, you need to wash the soybean until the water is clear. So when I'm done washing the soybean, I like to peel my soybean before I will dry it. You can decide to not peel this bean and toast it and turn it into soybean powder, but I like to peel mine. So when I'm done washing the soybean, I'm going to be adding the soybean into my food processor. I'll be using food processor to peel the bean. So with the help of the pause button, I'm going to peel the soybean. So when I'm done, I'm going to pour the soybean into a bowl, then I'll start to remove the chaff. After removing the peel of the soya bean, I'm going to soak this bean for at least 6 hours or overnight. So the next day, you can notice that the soya bean has doubled in size. So I'm going to sieve to remove the water, then rinse it properly and drain the water again before I can now spray it out to dry. You can decide to sun dry this soya bean for at least 2 or 3 days, or you can decide to use your dehydrator. So when I'm done spraying out the soya bean, I will cover it with a chiffon cloth to avoid any dating, then allow it to sun dry. Soya bean have dried properly. So the next step is I'm going to toast the soya bean. So I'll add the bean to the pan and roast on a low heat. I will stir from time to time. So roasting the soya bean will help to enhance the taste and flavor of the soya bean powder, but this is optional. So you can notice that the toast soya bean has turned golden yellow. So I'm going to remove from the heat where you notice the smell of the toasted beans. So allow to cool before you blend into a fine powder. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to use a sieve to remove any chunks. So after sieving it, you can spray it out and allow it to cool before you store in airtight container. So you can store this soya bean for at least 6 or 8 weeks in airtight container and use it whenever you want. You can add this to your pap, to your smoothie, to your yogurt, to anything that you like. And I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.